Meaning of day trader.
Day trader.
Day trader.
Day trader.
Day trader. A day trader is a person who buys and sells financial instruments, such as stocks, within the same trading day. They aim to profit from short-term price fluctuations and make multiple trades each day, often using leverage to increase potential profits. Day traders typically have extensive knowledge of the market and use technical analysis and charting tools to identify opportunities. However, day trading can be risky and requires discipline and a sound strategy to succeed. Overall, day trading is a high-intensity, fast-paced profession that is not suitable for everyone.